The goal of this presentation is to explain the correct interpretation of the grey values in musculoskeletal ultrasound. The ultrasound image is built up from various grey levels. Each grey level depicts a certain anatomical tissue. Changes in these colours reflect quality changes of such a tissue. If tissues are getting more white, then from now on we will say that they are more hyperechoic. If tissues are getting darker, then from now on we will say that they are more hypoechoic. Darker tissues are softer tissues. Whiter tissues are harder tissues. Everything in between is a D or increasing scale of elasticity. An example of an extremely soft substance is a liquid. This could be normal synovia, a joint effusion, a swelling in a bursitis, or liquid in a muscle tear. Because its pitch black colour has no echogenicity at all, we will say that it is anechoic. An example of an extremely hard substance are tissues like bone or calcification. Because its bright white colour has lots of echogenicity, we will say that it is hyperechoic. Between the anechoic liquid and the hyperechoic bone, you can find all sorts of anatomical tissues, like in this example, muscle and tendon. Muscle tissue is softer than tendon tissue and therefore more hypoechoic than the tendon. A tendon is usually more hyperechoic than a muscle, but a tendon is more hypoechoic than bone.